All right, super windy today, so I'm probably not going to talk a lot, but working on the front bumper, so getting a lot of time lapse in here. I started on it last night. I took this much out of the bumper supports because it stuck way above the lower valence. So now I need to cut it back a little bit more to get this bumper tight, and then I'm gonna have to notch it to get it to bend with everything that we have in here. So let's go. All right, I'm gonna have to trim these off so it'll sit flush. All right, cut that down. Cut the little bracket off the bottom. I'm gonna use that right there and weld it onto the underside of the bumper. Once I get it mounted, now I need to figure that angle and cut it. Sorry for the wind. Look at that. It's sunset time, so I gotta stay out of the sun here, but check that out. That is so cool. Love the way it looks. Dig it, dig it, dig it. I just thought I was shooting the bumper and I'd maybe have a short out of it, but I'm gonna make a full video by putting this onto there. It's my gas filler. It had to come up to be something you could actually use over here on the side, and by doing so it really crept into the bed. But I have this from another project I was working on as part of the floor pan, so I cut it out today and I'm going to cut it down and put it over the top of that. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, here it is. Put a couple notches in the floor so it'll sit down in there, and I'm just going to put a couple of tack welds in it just to hold it. If I ever need to take it off, I can just cut those out, pull it off, but I can access that through the bottom if I really had to. So that is going to be called done. All right, that one's going to do it for me today. Got the bumper done, got that little box in the back. I think that's two big projects that are really nice to get done. I started cutting out the other wheel well in the rear to get that working, and I realized my Sawzall is a complete mess. Like, all the screws came out of it, so probably gonna have to buy another one because I don't think I can get any replacement parts before I go through and do that. But that's good. Be sure to like, follow, comment, let me know what you think. I love this bumper, love how it worked out. Even got a license plate spot. Thanks, bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.